Meet AI stickers in Messenger, a fun way to turn your ideas into colorful, custom stickers in seconds. Let's make your first one together. First, open Messenger and jump into any chat with a friend or group where you want to send your new AI sticker. At the bottom of the chat, tap the sticker icon next to the text box to open your sticker tray. In the sticker tray, look for the AI stickers tab with a fun, sparkly or magic wand style icon, then click it. When the AI stickers panel appears, you'll see a text box inviting you to describe the sticker you want to create. Now you're ready to type a prompt and let AI do the drawing for you. Type a short, clear idea, like, cute purple cat dancing with headphones in scribble style. Hit generate. In a moment, Messenger shows you several AI sticker options based on your idea. Click your favorite design to preview it larger and see the fun scribble style details up close. If you like it, simply press send. The sticker drops right into your conversation like any other sticker. Want more variations? Adjust your prompt, change the mood or colors, and generate again for fresh options. That's it. Type it, generate it, and share it. Your chats now have custom AI stickers made by you, in Scribble Perfect style.